Hello बच्चों, let's see this question. So here in this question we are given two columns. This is column 1 and this one over here is column 2. So column 1 में हमें कुछ polymers and कुछ monomers given है and in column 2 कुछ properties हमें given है. So हमें column 1 के साथ column 2 को match करना है. So in column 1 first we are given cis polyisoprene. So cis polyisoprene is nothing but natural rubber. Polyisoprene is nothing but natural rubber. And इसका monomer unit है cis isoprene, which is like this. This is cis isoprene, the monomer of cis polyisoprene. So this is cis isoprene. Now if you talk about chloroprene, chloroprene का structure ऐसा है. Chloroprene, which is like this. So this is 2-chloro-1,3-butadiene. Now bakelite जो है वो एक thermosetting plastic है and which is a resin of phenol and formaldehyde. So अगर हम phenol and formaldehyde को polymerize करें in presence of heat, then we'll get this bakelite. Then the next polymer is polyester. So polyester में esterification reaction होता है and as all of us know, esterification reaction is like this: RC double bond OH and along with this हम और एक alcohol अगर react करें एक carboxylic acid के साथ, अगर हम एक alcohol को react करें then we'll get this ester, that is RC double bond O, and this is OR dash and along with this we'll get H2O. So एक water remove हो रहा है, that means this is a condensation reaction. Polyester is a condensation polymer. Now अगर हम column 2 में जो properties हैं उनकी बात करें, then thermosetting plastic is the first property and इन चारों में से thermosetting plastic केवल सिर्फ C में present है. So we can link this C with P. Now thermoplastic. So इन चारों में से cis polyisoprene is a elastic rubber, so this is not thermoplastic, and बाकी दो chloroprene and polyester ये दोनों thermoplastic है. So this is Q and this is also Q. Now the next one is condensation. Now condensation condensation होता है polyester में, because polyester is formed from condensation polymerization. So we can link R and बाकी तीनों में से कोई भी condensation reaction show नहीं करता. And the fourth one is biodegradable. Now इन चारों में से polyisoprene biodegradable है because this is natural rubber. So we can link this with S. Now finally we have our matches and we can write it over here. That is A is linked with S, then B is linked with Q, C is linked with P, and D is linked with Q and R both. Q, R. So ये है हमारे set of matches जो कि हम इस table से इन दोनों column से obtain कर सकते हैं. So this is the final solution. I hope you understood the concept. Thank you.